Hi, this is Steve with SEO 727 and Food Brews Booze Marketing. This is your midweek motivation. 2023 will either be your best year ever or you'll have 12 months of excuses. The winners will close the paper, shut off the news, and do what it takes to make it happen. My best years have been the ones that they say should be the worst. Who the hell are they anyway? So increase your visibility, increase your marketing budget, and kick some serious ass. Or step over dollars to pinch dimes and die a slow death. There's little room at the top, and the winners will get there. There's a ton of room at the bottom, and the rest will end up there. Are you ready to make it happen? Then call us today and get started. 727-203-1543. Remember, champions dominate, and we do no bull.